Threads is the newest social networking platform by Instagram, which is owned by Meta. Less than 12 hours after its release, the app, which has a close relationship to Instagram, garnered more than 15 million users. However, you could still be unsure about how to use the new platform. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about Threads and how to make the most out of this amazing tool. So, without further ado, let's get started. How to join Threads. On your device, open the App Store or Google Play and search for Threads, an Instagram app, to locate it. Open the app after downloading it. Then click the Login with Instagram option at the bottom of the screen. Users are given the opportunity to follow people they already follow on Instagram, since an Instagram account is necessary to utilize Threads. How to navigate the app. As soon as your account is created, you will be taken to your Threads feed, where you may view postings from users you follow as well as unrelated users. You can browse the app by using the row of icons you can see at the bottom of your screen, left to right in order. The house icon brings you to your feed. The magnifying glass icon takes you to a search page where you can type in the usernames of people you wish to follow. The pen and paper icon lets you create a new thread. The heart icon shows your account activity. It displays who followed you, who replied to your thread, who mentioned you in their posts, and which users are verified. The human figure icon takes you to your Threads profile where you can see your activity. How to create a thread. To post to a thread, select the pen and paper icon that is right in the center of the navigation bar. The message is limited to 500 characters, but you can extend it by including a picture, a video, or a GIF by clicking the paperclip button immediately below the text. How to engage with Thread users. Click on a user's profile to access one of their threads if you wish to interact with them. 4 icons can be found below the text, left to right in order. Press the heart icon to like the thread. Click the dialog box icon to reply to the thread. Touch the reverse symbol icon to repost a thread to your feed with the option to add a quote. Hit the paper plane icon to add the thread to your Instagram story or post it to your Instagram feed. You can also press the copy link button to retrieve the URL and click the share via buttons to send the thread through text, email, AirDrop if you have an iPhone, and other social media platforms on your phone. Users can also like, repost, and respond to individual responses with the same icons. How to edit your Threads profile. The person icon is located in the bottom right corner of the app. Click it to edit your profile information. You are then sent to your profile page. To change your bio, add links, remove or add a profile image, or even import one from Instagram, click the Edit Profile option. You can't currently modify your name on your profile in Threads. A quick link to Instagram and 2 buttons to change the app settings may also be found on the profile page. Additionally, you may view all of your posted topics and shared replies. How to change your privacy settings. Open your profile by clicking on the human figure symbol and modifying your privacy settings. Next, select Edit Profile from the menu. You can then select whether you want your profile to be public or private by going to Private Profile from there. How to set time limits. The Threads app features a feature that can give you reminders to stop using the app after 10 to 30 minutes if you find yourself losing track of time while using it. Click the human figure icon to see your profile and look for it there. In order to access your account settings after that, click the icon with 2 lines. You can access the Take a Break feature and a variety of time limit options by clicking the Account button from there. Advantages. Threads brings a fresh and intimate approach to communication on Instagram. It allows you to strengthen your connections with close friends and share moments in a more meaningful way. Here are some advantages of using Threads. Privacy. With Threads, you have complete control over who sees your updates and who you communicate with. It's a private space that promotes a sense of trust and intimacy. Focused communication. By using Threads, you can engage in more focused and meaningful conversations without getting distracted by the broader Instagram feed. Enhanced content sharing. The camera features and content sharing options within Threads make it easy to share moments with your close friends in a visually appealing and creative way. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to use Threads, the new Instagram app. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll give Threads a try to enhance your close friendships on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.